Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can generate the content using Gemini. So let me search with the keyword Gemini, and here you can see this is official website gemini.google.com. Simply click here and after that here you can see now you can type anything. For example, I want to generate content for my Fiverr gig. Write content for Fiverr gig. Then let me add title. I will build responsive WordPress website. Then press enter. Now here you can see it has generated all the content for the Fiverr gig. You can also ask it to generate image. Please generate image for above content. So now it's generating an image, and if we compare this product with the ChatGPT, you can see how fast it works. So I think it works with fast speed, so that's great. Here you can see I got an image. In this way you can easily use this one. So this is basically Google product, and you can generate a lot of content free of cost. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.